Life is made up of impulses, information and energy. It's across networks of neurotransmitters that ideas, thoughts, and bodies move. Just as nature has constructed complex connection systems to create life, here at AEC, we bring to life the big projects of our time. And for 30 years, our dedication to our work has built the links which keep the world moving. Every movement, every sound, every emotion which gets you going and guides you along your way gets its energy from an invisible network of connections, the result of precision manufacturing and supported by the latest patents. Because cables don't just transmit information. For us, they create a map over which man's inventions never stop moving, developing towards the future. In an increasingly interconnected world, AEC cables are already laid on every continent. And the challenges of inventing for tomorrow are waiting for us along the way. Because the journey has only just begun. AEC, connected to the future.